I'm going to talk about the Med Programme. It's a transnational program, and its aim is to make the Mediterranean space competitive and able to compete with its international competitors. It's made up of Greece, France, Cyprus, Portugal, Slovenia, Spain, the United Kingdom, represented by Gibraltar in our program. We have 4 candidate countries: Albania, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Croatia, and Montenegro. The program period is 2007-2013, and we have an IPA budget of 5.4 million euros, and the aim is the sustainability and development of the regions in the project. And what have we done so far? We have programmed 140 classic projects, 133 million euros in funds from the regional development funds, and mainly on renewable energy strategies, maritime safety, and probably we will soon be doing projects on transport. In the Med program, we are working on capitalization, and we need projects and results of projects in order to have some feedback for our reflection for the next period, 2014-2020. So we do this using a cluster process, meetings, and we also are preparing a library for the program and the database, which will be on the web page of the Med program, and you will soon be able to see the results of the different projects. We are also working with the Green Paper and with twinning associations that submit proposals for projects. The next calls for projects will not be based on basic issues, but they will be special calls for projects. And also we'll have a call for a project for capitalization. If you have any common interests with other Med projects, you can apply for the capitalization project that not only enables you to capitalize the results, but also to make future proposals in the Med program or whatever the program will be known as in the future. So, how does Sostenuto fit into the Med program? Well, it's a project that's different to the others. I have been following it carefully over the past few years, and I can tell you there's no project like Sostenuto. It's unique. There are many projects focusing on culture, but never living culture. Our project normally deals with our cultural heritage, but we never see projects that deal with culture within the framework of governance. So Sostenuto is a unique project in this sense, also because of the type of project. We're talking about a very young mindset, very innovative, and the fact that small structures, small cultural associations have joined the project gives it a great potential to innovate and develop form of existing within the European project, and perhaps it will benefit from certain structures, or it will allow people to benefit from certain structures that otherwise they would have no access to. Another original aspect of Sostenuto is its form of communication, the fact that it uses new technologies, for example, like the streaming at this conference, blogs, and even Facebook, is something that very few projects use, and Sostenuto has gone beyond any other project in this sense. So I would like to congratulate you for your good work and you to continue working in the future. I hope to see you in other programs or in other partnerships. Thank you very much, and keep up the good work.